Okay guys, that's all for today. We have 38 degrees today in Italy. Is it a really crazy climate revolution? See you in the next video. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.